Alright guys, it's your main man Silver Watcher coming at ya. So I got another live unboxing. As you can see by the retarded angle and the lack of preparation, this is completely not thought out and live. Tripod down. We got a tripod down. Alright guys, all joking aside, le boxing, one mysterious white package, chuck to the side. Let's see if we can do this. I don't even think we'll need, I'm gonna use my strong arm. Nope, not working. So, quick little score. Alright. Oh, there's that infamous pink paper. You see it? You see it? I'm thinking if you watch back a couple videos, the white paper, they send it to me that way because they screwed up my previous order, so the white order was like, don't hate us, I guess. Alright. Is this everything? It appears so. Alright. So, without showing my name, trying to make this quick, guys, because I'm at work. There's a 5 ounce 2019 American Eagle, a 1/2 ounce. Oh, 2 of those though. And then the airtight brings you to 95, 41, 982, 207, 148, 0 tax, and 148.23. Alright, so my ever so loyal weekly 5 troy ounce pickup. If you haven't seen my pyramid videos, I have, after this, 2 more to complete the pyramid, and then I think I'm done with these particular ones. And the reason why I'm rushing to do these, this purchase is actually for my coworker, so I just wanted to show it before it went out. This is all me. So we got 2 2019s. They're beautiful. You know them, you love them. And then we have a 1/2 ounce. Was it an NPM? I think. Yep, Monarch Precious Metals. And airtight to boot. So thank you guys very much for watching. I will make another video later showing those other stuff at home. So thank you very much and have a great night. Peace, Silver Watcher.